Just when you thought you had it all figured out, Google shakes things up again with its December 2024 core update, leaving many in the SEO world scrambling. This update, which started on December 12th and wrapped up by December 18th, came hot on the heels of the November 2024 update, catching many by surprise. Google's core updates are designed to make search results more relevant and helpful, but this one caused significant volatility, with third-party tracking tools spiking dramatically. Weeks before, Google had hinted at an upcoming update, advising that those hit by the September 2023 helpful content update shouldn't expect major recoveries just yet. If your site was negatively impacted, Google suggests focusing on creating helpful, reliable, people-first content rather than trying to game the system. Interestingly, Google mentioned that while you might see some recovery between updates, the most significant changes usually come after another core update. The advice remains consistent. There's no quick fix. Instead, concentrate on producing content that genuinely satisfies your audience. Looking back, the March 2024 core update was the largest ever, taking 45 days to complete, while the August 2024 update took 19 days. With core updates happening every few months, it's crucial to continuously improve your site and content, not just for Google, but for your users. As rumors swirl about more frequent updates, staying ahead means always striving for better, more engaging content. Keep pushing forward, because the next update might just be around the corner.